everyone! If you've been struggling with spoken English and want to sound more confident in just 1 month, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share a simple 4-week plan that will completely transform the way you speak. No boring grammar books, no endless memorization, just real practical steps you can use every single day. Week 1. Build your foundation. Week 1 is all about input, filling your brain with real English. Listen to at least 30 minutes of English every day. Podcasts, YouTube videos, or audiobooks. Choose topics you love so it doesn't feel like studying. Shadowing method. Listen to a sentence, pause, and repeat exactly how the speaker says it. This improves pronunciation and rhythm. Learn 10 to 15 common phrases, not single words. Phrases like, "Could you help me out?" or "I'm looking forward to it" are how native speakers actually talk. Pro tip: keep a vocabulary notebook with synonyms and example sentences. Week 2. Speak every day. This week, your focus is output, actually speaking. Talk to yourself in English when you cook, clean, or walk. Describe your day out loud. I'm making coffee. Now I'm checking emails. Use apps like italki or HelloTalk to find speaking partners. Even 10 minutes a day will make a difference. Record yourself speaking and compare it to native speakers. Yes, it feels weird, but it's one of the fastest ways to notice mistakes. Week 3. Expand vocabulary and fluency. Now that you're speaking, it's time to make your speech richer. Learn topic-based vocabulary: travel, work, daily life, hobbies. Use the 3-sentence rule. Every time you answer a question, give 3 sentences instead of 1. For example, if someone asks, "How was your day?" Swing, don't just say good, say, "It was good." "I went for a run this morning and I finished reading a book." Keep a vocabulary journal with example sentences, not just definitions. Week 4. Confidence and real conversations. By now, you've built a base. It's time to challenge yourself. Join online discussion groups or Facebook Lives where you can comment in English. Watch English movies without subtitles or with English subtitles, and try to repeat key dialogues. Practice storytelling. Share a memory, tell a joke, or explain how to do something step by step. The more you speak, the more natural it becomes. Don't fear mistakes. They're proof you're learning. Remember, 1 month is enough to make a huge difference if you practice daily. Even 15 to 30 minutes a day is powerful if you stay consistent. Focus on real communication, not perfection. English is a skill, and skills grow with use. So commit to these 4 weeks, track your progress, and you'll be surprised how confident and fluent you'll feel by the end. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English. Let's get fluent together. If you want to speak English confidently in just 30 days, here's a simple plan that actually works. No boring grammar, just real, everyday speaking practice. Start by listening to English daily, podcasts, YouTube, or audiobooks you enjoy. Shadow native speakers by repeating their sentences exactly. Learn 10 to 15 useful phrases, not single words. Speak every day, even to yourself. Describe your actions out loud. Use language apps to find partners. Record yourself and compare to native speakers to spot mistakes fast. Focus on topic-based vocabulary like travel, work, or hobbies. Use the 3-sentence rule for every answer to sound more natural. Keep a vocabulary journal with example sentences. Join online discussions, watch movies in English, and repeat key dialogues. Tell stories or explain processes in English. Remember, mistakes mean progress. Practice every day for 15 to 30 minutes. Consistency is key. Speak more, worry less, and you'll see real progress in just 1 month. Good luck with your IELTS journey.